Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You want crisp waffles, so start by preheating the iron to medium-high and mixing 2 cups pancake mix. Reduce the listed liquid by 1/4 because waffles need thicker batter. Add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons oil. The egg gives lift while the oil encourages browning and a tender interior. Once combined, whisk until mostly smooth. Tiny lumps are fine. Make sure to avoid overmixing, which causes toughness. You're aiming for a pourable, slightly thick batter that holds shape. You'll want an even cook. Oil the waffle iron lightly so batter releases cleanly. Once it's fully hot, pour about 3/4 cup of batter into the center. The thicker batter spreads less, so place it carefully. Close the lid and let it cook undisturbed for roughly 3 to 5 minutes. Timing varies with irons. Watch for steam to slow and the edges to turn golden. When you open the iron, lift gently. Flipping early tears the waffle. Make sure each waffle reaches balance of crisp outside and tender inside. You finish by transferring waffles to a rack in a 200 degrees oven to stay crisp while you cook the rest. If waffles are soggy, make sure you reduce liquid and try slightly longer cook times. A thicker batter and more heat drive off moisture. If they brown too fast, lower the iron temperature or shave 30 to 60 seconds off cook time. When sticking happens, re-oil the iron lightly and wipe residual crumbs. You'll get consistent results once you tune liquid and timing to your specific waffle iron.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.